To make this scarf, you can use any size yarn and any size hook. I'm going to use a 9mm hook, and I'm going to use worsted weight yarn for my scarf, which is so I'll start with a slip knot. Just wrap the yarn around your fingers and then pick it up and pull it through. And I like to hold my yarn like this. And to make a chain, you simply pick up the yarn and pull it through the loop on the hook. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make 17 chain stitches. Okay, I have chained 17. And I'm going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn, pull it through, and pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops on the hook. In the next stitch, I'm going to make a double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert it into the stitch, pick up the yarn, pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And I'm going to work all the way across the chain, alternating single crochet, double crochet. Single crochet, double crochet. And I'm going to work all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. In the last stitch, I'm going to make a double crochet. So now I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and I'm going to make a single crochet in that same stitch, which is the double crochet of the previous row. And the next stitch is a single crochet, so I'm going to make a double crochet in that stitch. I'm working the pebble stitch, and to make the pebble stitch, it's just rows of working a double crochet in the single crochet of the previous row and a single crochet in the double crochet of the previous row. So I'll make a single crochet in this stitch. I'm going to make a double crochet in the next stitch. I'm going to make a single crochet, double crochet, and I'm going to repeat across the row, alternating single crochet and double crochet all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and then my last stitch is going to be a double crochet. So I'll make my last stitch, and there's what that texture looks like. And for this pattern, you're going to repeat the same row that I just did over and over until the scarf is the correct length. So every row will be chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the first stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, and you're going to repeat that all the way across the row, and you're just going to continue to work that same row over and over until the scarf is as long as you would like it to be. So there you go, that's the pattern to make this very easy scarf. To make these scarves into pocket scarves, you're just going to crochet an extra 12 inches so that you can fold it up. If you want to fold it deeper like this, make 16 inches. You can make your pockets any length you want, and then with the same yarn and a yarn needle, just sew up the two sides. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a link below for all the videos for my other scarves. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.